Hello everyone, my name is Sahil Chopra. I'm the current Business Development Manager of India and Bhutan region for University Canada West, which is headed by the Global University Systems. We have been proudly working and associated with admission overseas for a very long time now. Many congratulations to them for opening up the Amritsar office. And on 11th of March, we will be there and I will be representing the University Canada West at the Mega Fair. So if you are a student who is looking at Canada as a destination, if you are a student who's looking at degrees, if you're a student who's coming from non-medical, commerce, and arts background, then we have a lot of offerings for you. So I would like to meet you, counsel you, suggest you various programs, and see that if you are the right student for the University Canada West. So yes, 11th of March, kindly book your slots. We are there from the morning till the evening, and we'll be more than happy to help you out in the process. Thank you and take care, everyone.